Hi, I'm Fred Kuffner, founder and CEO of Morphood. So it was towards the end of the year, I guess December-ish. We were hanging out with some friends and we were talking about food. And we were all like, isn't it frustrating searching for recipes online? You search for sourdough bread, let's say on Google, you'll get 97 million results, 97 million results. And then you click on one of the recipes, you go look at that, and then you back up, and then you go to the next site, and you back up. And I said, I think I could build a better one. And I decided, this is what I'm gonna do. So I started in December building morphood. This wasn't like, I'm gonna build a company and I wanna do this. No, I was just building the recipe app that we wanted as users. My wife, she'll look at 3 recipes and say, all right, I like a little bit of this. I want some lemon juice instead of vinegar, and I'm gonna use oat flour. And so she never makes this one recipe. So Debbie wanted me to do what we call now a recipe compare. You can actually line up different recipes. So let's say you're looking at, I want the best apple pie recipe. So you can look at them side by side and see the ingredients and instructions. Nobody does this. This is a game changer. Really cool filters. You could get granular to, I don't want broccoli. We have some nutritional profiles of these recipes that we're gonna go even further on. You can run the Alexa browser and morph it. So we really designed it to be very flexible. I'm in the kitchen, I'm looking at my phone, I'm cooking, and my hands are full of raw chicken. And I wanna scroll down to see the instructions. What's the next step? So here's how, I'm thinking, wow, wouldn't it be great if I could tell Morphood to navigate and show me and then talk to me? And so we actually did this. So you can actually say, hey Morphood, scroll down, show me the instructions, read me step number 2. And then the synthetic voice will read you the instruction.
2 pounds chicken bones.
Many times what I've heard is that I'm cooking and the screen lock kicks in. Well, you can actually tell Morphood, or you can press a button, to stay awake. So while you're cooking, the screen lock won't kick in, and then you gotta put your passcode in. So we're building what we hope and we believe is the ultimate tool.
Hey, Morphood, how much sugar?
6 tablespoons white sugar.